Calculate the resultant of the forces acting on the ladder. So on the ladder, the forces are shown here. The ladder. So what are all the forces shown? Look at the forces. So let us go here. F2 and F5 at the top. F2 here and F5 here. Then F1 at the midpoint down. And then what? We also have F3 top, F3 upwards, F4 leftwards, and this angle is theta. F3, F4. Now you can notice that all the forces are either in the upward direction or downward direction, right? So if I choose this as x-axis and this as y-axis, what are all the forces along x-axis? Along x-axis, F4 is present, F2 is present. So I can say F4 difference which is greater is not known. F4 difference F2. Maybe F2 is greater or F4 is greater. We represent it like this. Net force along y-axis. What are all the forces along y-axis? F5, F1, F3. And if you notice, F1 is in the downward direction. So I'm going to write F1. The rest of the forces, F5 and vector F3 are in the upward direction. So I can write F1 difference F5 plus F3. This is the resultant force acting.